we make a general introduction for this controller. Also can support 2D programs, such as this metal parts. We can design this. We can use the 2D programs to bending, because we prepare very non-metal material maybe, and now we should design in programs more big size so that we can bend this shaper. This is the first step. Second step. Third step. Okay, now let's first we show you this function in controller. Also make metal bending. Then we will show you how to design in this controller step by step. Okay. Show you the 3D program bending in controller to bend these metal parts.